Hello makers, welcome back to DigiTech Dynamo. In today's video, we're going to make a smart dice roller using Arduino, a touch sensor, an 8x8 LED matrix, and a buzzer. This project is really fun. Just touch the sensor and a random dice number appears on the LED matrix with beep sounds. This project works like a real dice, but instead of rolling it by hand, you just touch the sensor, and the Arduino randomly picks a number between 1 and 6. That number is shown on the LED matrix, and the buzzer beeps that many times. Components required. Here's what you'll need. Arduino UNO Max 7219 8x8, LED matrix touch sensor buzzer jumper, wire circuit explanation DIN pin of LED matrix, Arduino pin 11 CS pin, pin 10 CLK pin, pin 13 touch sensor, pin 2 buzzer, pin 3, and connect VCC and GND properly. Now let's quickly understand the code. We included the LedControl library to control the 8x8 LED matrix. We defined pin numbers for the display, touch sensor, and buzzer. In the setup, we initialized the matrix, set brightness, and prepared the random number generator. When the touch sensor is pressed, Arduino generates a random number from 1 to 6. That number's pattern is displayed on the LED matrix, and the buzzer beeps the same number of times. After a short delay, the display clears automatically. Ready for the next touch. Now let's see it in action. Show demo. Touch the sensor, random numbers appear, buzzer beeps. Every touch gives a new number just like rolling a real dice, but smarter and digital. So that's how you can make your own smart electronic dice using Arduino. It's an easy and fun project, perfect for beginners to learn sensors, display control, and random functions. If you liked this project, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to DigiTech Dynamo for more creative Arduino tutorials and electronic projects. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.